pandemic life.
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys remember the time I had to go and buy something for my dad from the medical store, and I went on my cycle?
Oh, can we tell that story? Have you told it before on the podcast?
I think it was
Yes, I have
told
told
before,
it on the
but
podcast.
Can
it
you
is.
just give a quick version of it for like the new listeners or whatever?
Oh shit.
Please.
I mean, anyone, it's 42 minutes, nobody's listening at this
Yeah,
point,
yeah,
I know
yeah.
that for sure. But if anyone is listening, you're gonna have fun. I had to, I was not, okay, so I used to be a very big fan of the cycle when I was a kid, and then as I grew up, I just
The
got more and more
cycle.
averse to it and became fatter,
Hmm.
and then eventually didn't want to cycle at all.
Mhm.
And my dad was like, just take the bloody cycle, go to the store and buy me the goddamn milk that I need because we can't make your grandmother coffee. I was like, oh, god damn it, okay. And me being the genius that I am, forgot to take a bag and instead took an umbrella because it was raining, and my logic was, hey, it's raining, so I should take an umbrella.
Hmm.
And I'm a person who can walk a long distance. And I told my dad, I'll just go walking, and he was like, no, take the cycle, it's faster. You know, your grandma needs to drink coffee now. I was like, okay. And I just took the umbrella out of habit because I used to walk with the umbrella. And then I left the cycle outside the store, and it was during the pandemic as well. So, you know, I was like, nobody's going to steal this, right? Except somebody stole my umbrella.
Just your fucking luck, right?
Yeah, I was like, great, okay, somebody stole the umbrella, but it's fine. So I put in, I forgot the bag, and I had three Tetra packs of milk, soy milk, and I put one in the bottle holder of my cycle, and I was like, where the hell do the other two go?
Yeah.
And I tried putting them in different places, and I was like, I'm a goddamn genius, I have balanced it, physics master right here. And then I start cycling, and one of it falls to the left, and I attempt to catch it, and I lose balance, and I scratch this cab from the back to the front,
God.
and the guy gets pissed and starts yelling at me, and this other guy, you know, I'm like apologizing, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so screwed. Another guy comes and he's like, what happened? Are you okay? And my cycle, my dad had put like two mirrors on the side of the cycle so that he could take it out, and you know, he could drive like a fancy person apparently.
Apparently.
And one of those mirrors just got straight blasted off, so people thought I was like in danger or something.
Yeah.
And they kind of covered it up, and they were like, okay, get the fuck out, just go out. And I had like one packet of soy milk remaining, and I had two. At that time I had two. And then I'm cycling back, and then I'm like, something feels weird. And then I look down and I realize I've left
Yeah.
a trail of milk from the time I started cycling.
Oh,
to the point
no.
where I noticed it.
Wow.
And I was like, what the hell is happening here? And then turns out one of the two Tetra packs
Yes.
was leaking. I was like,
Well,
this is gone. And then I threw that as well. So out of the 3 packs I bought, one fell down and burst. The second one started leaking, and I had to throw it away. And the third one was battered and looked like a truck ran over it.
but it
without
was
bursting it.
okay.
Hey.
But it was still
You missed
milk.
an important point of the story.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. I didn't notice it at that time,
My
did I?
favorite
So-
part.
Yeah. So while I was cycling, I also noticed something else. And then I remembered that when I fell, I had heard a rip sound. I didn't realize what it was. I was like, okay, something must have gone wrong with the cycle. And then I looked down, and it turns out that my pants had torn from the crotch to the thigh, and there was like a cut on my thigh which I didn't even realize at the time. And I didn't know what the hell to do because there was nothing to cover it. So I ended up holding the Tetra pack in
Also,
front of my...
wait. If you all don't know, Brew always goes commando. Now continue.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
so
important point. here.
I ended up holding the Tetra pack in front of it like this, so that, you know, people, so that I would. See, the thing was, even though it's a pandemic, as we just said, there were people walking around,
Yeah,
and there
no
were a
one
lot of women
cares.
and children.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I really did not want to be labeled a sexual
Predator.
I don't know, displayer or something,
Yeah.
and get
Exhibitionist.
arrested for
Yeah.
get arrested for public nudity, and then you know, Indian jails are not great
Oh, not
by
at
any
all.
means. Indian cops are not great people to deal with
Mm-mm.
because you have to be a master negotiator to get away without paying them a fuck ton of
Even
money.
if you
That is
are,
true.
it's kind of hard most times, because they don't negotiate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I hid my crotch with the Tetra pack, and then I go up to the store, I ask for a newspaper, and then I stuff it in my pants.
Sid is fucking dying over here.
I'm just imagining him doing that, dude. You have no idea how I laughed, dude, when he
And the
first
thing
said it
is,
to me.
and the thing is, the shopkeeper was like like, yo, listen, just go to the side of the store and do it. Nobody's going to look. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. I was like, you know what, dude, at this point, thanks. That's the best thing I have going for me.
Newspaper underwear.
And I stuffed the newspaper down my pants, and it covered. I had to make it cover my thigh as well. And then I hold the bottle of soy milk. The Tetra Pak of soy milk in my hand. I hold the cycle with the other hand, and I was like, I am not riding this piece of shit ever again. I'm going to throw it and burn it in the ditch. And I walk back home doing that. the
Oh
whole
my
way.
god.
And when I walk in, my dad's like, what's wrong with you? I asked you to get the damn milk so that we could make coffee for your grandmother. And then he sees me looking like a mess with paper showing out of my crotch. And the soy milk packet is like completely battered up and dirty. He's like, you know what? I'll ask later. And then I go to my sister. I'm like, yeah. I tore my pants falling off the cycle. And she's like, what the hell? And then I go to my brother. I'm like, yeah, I tore my pants falling off the cycle. And he responded much like Sid is now. And the thing is, I also told my girlfriend. And she was very concerned for me at the time.
The only
And I was
person
like,
who was
finally.
concerned, right?
Yes.
I was like,
Yeah.
finally, one person gives a shit about my horrible day. And then after that, I show her a picture of what happened. I was like, see, this is what happened.
Yeah.
And then she bursts out laughing. I was like, hey, you just told me that you felt bad for me. And then she's like, yeah, because I didn't want to make you feel worse by laughing. I was like, what? You didn't have to say that. You could have just kept silent. And she's like, no, I can't control it now. I really need to laugh. I was like, holy shit. Fuck my life. Nobody gives a shit.
Oh no, we give a
Dumb
shit.
as
Just
shit what you did. Dude.
yeah.
Can you learn how to fucking cycle? It's not that hard.
I know how to cycle. I couldn't cycle 3 Tetra Packs of milk without a bag.
Why didn't you just ask for a bag? These shops normally keep
They
like.
don't have plastic. There's a plastic
No,
bag
no,
in
no.
their
I know.
body.
They have like gunny bags in the back. You know.
Yeah, they have
They
cloth
didn't. I
bags.
asked them for a bag. They gave me a paper bag without even a handle. You know, it's one of those medical bags with a spiky
Oh
end.
yeah.
Mhm.
Those are shit.
Yeah, they put
dude.
it in that.
Was it cold? Soy milk?
No, thankfully it was.
Ah, okay, that would be worse. Yeah.
Yeah.
But my
Yeah, but
goodness.
that shit is hilarious, dude. Yeah.